Well, here I am 1 week post-surgery, and it's only fitting that I show this video walking up the stairs. Walking up the stairs with no issues at all. Feeling pretty good for the most part. Welcome back, you guys. Just to give you an update on my status and how this first week has been. I've really adjusted well to not overdoing it and taking caution when standing up and sitting down. But with that said, I have no issues at all standing up and sitting down. The pain now, I would say, is around a 0 or a 1. It's kind of frustrating knowing that I can't just get up and run, but aside from that, I'm walking fine. Walking long distances is no issue. Standing, laying down, getting up is no issue. Pushing off of something is no issue. Carrying a bag is no issue. With that said, I'm still going to adhere to the strict weight limit restrictions that have been placed upon me. Nothing heavier than 10 to 20 pounds for the first 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and then progressing to 20 pounds after that. I feel like that will be no problem at all, no issue at all. My scar seems to be healing nicely. I've taken off the large bandage and I have just a small bandage across the main scar right now. I've still been rubbing the arnica cream on there occasionally, and I've dropped my antibiotic and pain medicine dosage down to twice a day. I'll drop it down to once a day for this next week coming up, and then I'll be completely off it by the end of week 2. It's my plan, it's my goal. I think that's feasible, and I think that it will be very possible. The only drawback I would say at this point, and I think it's just something I'm going to have to get used to, is the fact that I have some numbness still in the area of the incision. And I've been told that could last for several weeks and months before I regain total feeling of that area, which I'm patient and comfortable with. Just make sure not to overdo it or aggravate the area or do any extreme lower body exercises that might hinder my recovery process. And also have a slight pain in my inner thigh area on the left side, the same side as my incision, that comes and goes. I'm not really sure the root cause of that, but I'm assuming it's related to the nerve being moved in there, and it's also something that I feel will go away over time. So it's not too worried about that. Overall, I say I'm feeling good. Looking forward to really being able to be active again. I have a mindset where I will bounce back from this minor setback stronger than ever, fully able to do everything I was able to do before without the worry of that hernia popping out and becoming strangulated. So really excited about that, excited about not having mesh in my body again, as I've said before, and just wanted to give you guys a real quick 1 week update. Things are going great, and hopefully this helps a lot of you guys out there. As I said before, I will be also adding a video on some exercises you can do during that first week or 2 and some foods that you can eat. Again, this is not my professional medical opinion, not my professional medical prescription. It's just my personal opinion. You can do what I do or not. These things work for me, they might not work for you, but I'm happy to share in any regards. And wishing everyone a happy recovery, a positive decision-making process, and I will see you on the next video. Any concerns or questions, make sure to comment. I'll get back to the comments, like, subscribe, and